A new chapter in luxury mobility has arrived with the introduction of the Rox Adamas, a vehicle that transcends the traditional boundaries of the automotive industry. While the Rox 01 introduced the world to the moving home concept, the Adamas, whose name is derived from the Greek word for diamond, takes this vision into the stratosphere of ultra-luxury. Recently making its global debut at the prestigious Emirates Palace in Abu Dhabi, the Adamas is not just an update, it is a declaration of intent. It serves as the flagship evolution of the Rox brand, designed specifically for an elite global clientele that demands a vehicle as enduring and multifaceted as the gemstone it is named after. The journey of the Rox Adamas began with a deep appreciation for the most demanding landscapes on Earth, particularly the golden dunes and vast horizons of the Middle East. Rox Motor realized that to truly conquer the luxury SUV market, they needed to offer a vehicle that was not only technologically superior, but also culturally resonant. This led to a design philosophy termed refined power. The Adamas retains the iconic, bold square box silhouette that defined its predecessor, but elevates it with a level of craftsmanship and detail that challenges the finest coach builders in Europe. Every line on the Adamas has been sharpened to evoke a sense of diamond-cut precision, balancing a commanding road presence with a sophisticated, graceful elegance that feels right at home in the world's most exclusive neighborhoods. At the heart of the Adamas is a striking new visual identity, led by its diamond mesh grille. Unlike the standard grilles seen on most luxury SUVs, the Adamas features a surround that matches the body color, creating a more integrated and bespoke appearance. The honeycomb trim beneath the eagle-eye LED matrix headlights has been upgraded to a sleek, enclosed design, enhancing the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency and its futuristic, tech-noir vibe. These headlights are not merely functional, they are designed with the intensity of a hawk's gaze, cutting through the darkness with mathematical accuracy. From its panoramic glass roof to the full-width LED light bar at the rear, every element of the Adamas has been curated to reflect the light and shadow of a finely polished diamond. Step inside the Adamas, and you are immediately immersed in a sanctuary that redefines the meaning of gliding luxury. The cabin is a masterclass in artisanal comfort, draped in premium Napa leather and accented with microfiber suede headliners. Available in both 6-seat and 7-seat configurations, the interior has been tailored to meet the needs of regional lifestyles where family and hospitality are paramount. In the VIP variants, the second row features first-class aviation seats that offer a zero-gravity experience, complete with an 8-point massage system and personalized climate control. This is not just a car interior, it is a mobile living space designed to ensure that every journey, whether a short commute or a cross-border expedition, is spent in absolute tranquility. The technological core of the Adamas is the Rox OS intelligent cockpit, powered by the lightning-fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip. This system manages a multi-screen ecosystem that includes a 15.7-inch 3K central touchscreen, a dedicated digital instrument cluster, and a massive 15.7-inch rear entertainment screen for backseat passengers. Recognizing its global mission, the Adamas features advanced Arabic voice control and an optimized Middle East exclusive thermal management system. This ensures that even in the sweltering heat of a desert summer, the high-power AC compressor and PM2.5 cabin air filter maintain a pristine, cool environment. It is this level of hyper-localization that sets Rox apart from manufacturers who simply export their standard models without consideration for the local climate. Engineering excellence is the bedrock upon which the Adamas is built. As an extended-range electric vehicle, ERF, it offers a solution to the range anxiety that often plagues pure electric SUVs. The vehicle is powered by a high-efficiency 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that acts as an onboard generator, feeding a high-density 56 kWh ternary lithium battery from CATL. This power is then delivered to the road via a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that produces a staggering 476 horsepower and 740 newton-meters of torque. Despite its substantial size and luxury fittings, the Adamas can sprint from a standstill to 100 km/h in just 5.5 seconds. More impressively, it offers a total combined range of up to 1,226 kilometers, allowing drivers to travel from Abu Dhabi to Riyadh on a single tank and charge. The Adamas is as much an athlete as it is a limousine. It sits on a high-strength steel frame with aluminum subframes, providing a level of rigidity that ensures safety and stability across all terrains. The vehicle features a closed-air suspension system with DCC adaptive damping, which continuously adjusts to the road surface to provide a gliding sensation. To handle the unpredictability of the wild, Rox has integrated an intelligent all-terrain driving logic with modes specifically tuned for sand, mud, mountain, snow, and wading. With a wading depth of 700 millimeters and specialized off-road cruise control that operates at speeds as low as 2 kilometers per hour, the Adamas is engineered to go where other luxury vehicles fear to tread. Luxury in the Adamas is also about the freedom to explore without limits. One of its most innovative features is the Tailgate Kitchen 2.0. The rear door opens to reveal a sophisticated outdoor cooking station, complete with an induction cooktop, a rapid heating water dispenser, and a dual-mode cooler warmer. Coupled with a 3.5 kilowatt external vehicle-to-load (V2L) capability, the Adamas can power an entire campsite, turning a remote desert outcrop into a 5-star dining experience. This focus on gliding outdoor enjoyment acknowledges that true luxury today is found in the ability to escape the city and connect with nature without sacrificing the comforts of home. Safety remains a non-negotiable priority for the Adamas. The vehicle's body is a fortress, constructed with over 87% high-strength steel and hot-formed components that offer record-breaking roof crush resistance. It has been designed to meet and exceed 5-star safety standards, protecting its occupants with a comprehensive suite of Level 2 Plus Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. This includes a 360-degree high-definition camera system, lane-keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. The Adamas doesn't just watch the road, it anticipates hazards, ensuring that the driver remains confident and the passengers remain secure at all times. The introduction of the Adamas Royal Edition, a bespoke version endorsed by the Abu Dhabi royal family, further solidifies the vehicle's status at the pinnacle of the market. This edition features exclusive colorways inspired by the tungsten steel of the mountains and the golden sands of the dunes, paired with high-brightness black hubs and unique interior stitching. By catering to such an elite tier of users, Rox has demonstrated that the Adamas is more than just a car. It is a symbol of prestige and a testament to the fact that Chinese automotive engineering has reached a level of maturity that can compete with, and in many cases surpass, the historic legends of the West. The affordability of the Adamas, relative to its feature set, is perhaps its most disruptive attribute. In a market where a similarly equipped European SUV would cost well over $200,000, the Adamas enters with a starting price that offers incredible value without compromising on the quality of materials or technology. It proves that the brand tax of the past is no longer a requirement for entry into the world of high luxury. For the price of a mid-range German SUV, the Adamas provides a level of equipment, range, and capability that was previously reserved for the ultra-wealthy. As we look at the evolution from the Rox 01 to the Rox Adamas, it is clear that the brand is moving at a pace that few can match. The Adamas is a vehicle built for the long haul, both in terms of its 1,200-kilometer range and its long-term reliability. Its use of over-the-air OTA updates ensures that the intelligent cockpit and driving systems will only get better over time, evolving with the needs of the owner. This future-proof approach is a hallmark of the tech-driven philosophy that Chan Jing brought from the world of robotics to the world of wheels. In conclusion, the Rox Adamas is a masterpiece of modern engineering that successfully blends Italian design, Chinese technology, and Middle Eastern luxury preferences. It is a vehicle that understands the dual nature of the modern elite, the desire for sophisticated, high-tech urban mobility, and the raw, primal urge to explore the great outdoors. With its refined power and gliding luxury, the Adamas has not just joined the ranks of the world's great SUVs, it has redefined what we should expect from them. It is a diamond in the rough, a vehicle of enduring strength and unparalleled brilliance that is ready to lead the way into the next era of automotive excellence. The success of the Adamas in early delivery markets like the UAE and Saudi Arabia is a harbinger of things to come. As more people experience the unique combination of the zero-gravity cabin and the 1,115-plus kilometer range, the shift in brand loyalty will only accelerate. The Rox Adamas is a bold statement that the future of luxury is here. It is intelligent, and it is ready to take you anywhere you want to go.